Uganda is facing severe shortage of developers. Called Academy Uganda, a social enterprise, is rising to the challenge and giving young children and youth computer skills that can potentially change their lives. For more insight, I spoke to Edward Ssempala, co-founder and executive director of Code Academy in Kampala, Uganda. Welcome to Africa 54.
Thank you, Paul.
I've read some stuff about you, how you are trying to inspire and empower young people by way of teaching them computer skills, teaching them how to code, and anything in between. Tell us a little bit about what you do at your academy.
Academy Uganda has been able to move its vision to greater heights within the country in Uganda, and also being able to reach children that are outside, like in Nigeria, in Kenya, and also we've had kids coming through from the UK and the US. For the Academy of Uganda, have as a vision to ensure that every child in Uganda and Africa at large has access to computer programming. Now, we are coming from a background in Africa, and more so in Uganda in particular, where these knowledge and skills are kept away from us as children till university. And when we look at the time we are living in, the digital age we are living in, we realize that the digital economy is taking up every other sector around us. And with our children not able to learn these things at an early age, or them being not prepared for that time, it leaves us at a place of a disadvantage as a nation and a continent at large.
You were saying earlier that you have kids ranging from maybe 5 years old to 18, kids who come to you wanting to learn these skills. How important are these skills?
The coding skills are very important. Every technology out there has code within it. So when you get technology and you pull out code out of it, you literally have nothing. Okay, so technology gives life. Coding gives life to technology that we have around us today. Having our children able to learn coding at quite an early age, we are preparing them to become digital creators rather than being digital consumers.
So you're trying to make them digital creators rather than digital consumers. Maybe can you explain what you mean by that?
Look at our children today. You find them watching cartoons on TV at home in holiday. They will spend the whole day watching cartoons. They come back from school, they watch cartoons. If they're not watching cartoons, they are playing games on a laptop, on phones and stuff. So they are engaged in consumption of this digital content out there. And the supply is there, and it's never ending. Literally, they have a new movie every other day, a new animation, a new game that is coming out on the scene, and they are tuned to that. Now, meaning they are digital consumers already, okay? But by then, we have all been inclined to digital consumption while growing up, okay? But then, if what we do at the academy is that we tap into this energy for consumption they have, and then we channel that into digital creation. So we begin to bring them to the world of computer programming by bringing what they like so much, like the animation to watch on TV, and we tell them you can create your own animation, and we show them how it's done while they're doing programming. So we channel that energy from consumption to digital creation while they are learning computer programming.
You charge a fee to have these kids learn these skills. How do you do it, or how do you make money or survive?
Well, the Academy Uganda is a not-for-profit company, of course, but we give out services that are free to our communities, but also we keep some programs, paid programs. We charge a fee in the program we call the Code Camp. It happens every holiday. And then also in the Code Club, the schools pay a fee to keep someone coming and doing the trainings every term. And then within the code camps, we want to put camps in every major city in the country for those that want to attend them physically. And also we look forward to having a club in at least 500 schools within Uganda by the end of next year.
I wish you luck with everything that you're trying to do.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time.